Come eat with me. Hey, I'm in Sao Paulo and I'm at my friend's restaurant called Churrascada. Felipe has an amazing restaurant. Not only does he have an amazing restaurant, but he also has an amazing barbecue festival called Churrascada as well. Tonight, I'm gonna give you a tour of a very special restaurant. It's big, it's got a butcher shop, it's got live fire cooking, it's got a merchandise. There's hundreds of people here. It's Sunday evening. There's music. I've been here before. You're gonna see how amazing the food is, how delicious it is. So let's go inside and I'll give you a look at one of the greatest barbecue restaurants in Sao Paulo, Brazil. So when you get to Churrascada, the first thing you have to do is check in at the reception. And you walk right into a merch shop where they've got cool hats, leather belts, all sorts of cool stuff. So come on, let's take a look. What you gonna do when the rain is coming down? Nothing more to do when there's no one else around. Bring it back to the middle, push, take it back to... So we just finished getting some cool merchandise. Now we're gonna head inside. It's Sunday night, it's packed. It's always packed, but we're gonna go in there and get a bunch of stuff off of the menu. We'll dig into some good food. Then we're gonna go, they got their own butcher shop. I mean, how many barbecue restaurants have their own butcher shop? Churrascada does. You're gonna see as we continue on this tour how unique this restaurant is, how big it is, live music, lots of families, ice cream truck, full bar, of course, and of course, great barbecue. So let's head on inside and get some food. So not only can you eat amazing barbecue at Churrascada, but if you feel so inclined, you can go into their butcher shop and you can get all sorts of cuts of beautiful beef, take it home and cook it yourself. I mean, take a look at this. Look at that. You know, talk about the Flintstone cut. There it is right there. But there's so many different cuts. I mean, a lot of them you're familiar with. Some of them you may not be familiar with. A cut that's very popular in Brazil is picanha. Just got really nice flavor, a nice chew. The meat selection in this butcher shop is just amazing. I mean, everybody knows I'm a sucker for a steak, but I want to show you something really beautiful. Take a look at this A5. Look at that marbling. Look how thick this steak is. I mean, take 2 of these home and feed 4 people because it's a rich cut. But just look at that, it's just beautiful. Okay, so enough for the tour. I'm hungry, it's time to go out in the restaurant, order some food. We'll give you a visual tour of a lot of great things off of their menu. Come eat with me. They've got everything you could imagine on this menu. They have got all sorts of appetizers, side dishes, barbecue. But tonight, one of my favorite things, anybody that knows me knows how much I like a steak. And so tonight, I'm gonna order 3 steaks. I got picanha, I got flat iron, I got skirt steak. First up, a Brazilian favorite, picanha. Perfectly cooked, great chew, really well done picanha. It inspires me to want to go home, try and replicate this in my backyard. I can see why it's so popular. The next cut, course number 2 in my 3-course dinner is flat iron steak. And flat iron steak is something that I cook at home a lot. I love it. It's not as expensive as some of your other cuts. Got a great chew, simply prepared, a little bit of salt, cooked directly over hot fire coals. So I feel bad rubbing it in, but here we go. If my mom was here or still alive, she would say this is not very mannerly, but a burst of salt, a kiss of smoke, amazing beefy flavor, perfectly cooked. I'm getting that smoke right now. It's about as good as I've ever had. Really good. What I really like about all three of the steaks I've had is it's very simply seasoned. There's just salt, not a lot of ingredients on there. They're letting that beef be the star. They're letting that meat just, and this salt is a good amount of salt. Anyways, I hate to keep rubbing this in your face, but here we go. Little skirt steak, got a nice wiggle with just the fire, the beef, the salt. It's so good. So tonight at Churrascada was amazing. Had a 3-course dinner. We started off with a picanha, then we had a flat iron steak, and then we finished it up with skirt steak. All delicious, simply seasoned with salt, cooked on fire. I know I jokingly said that this was a 3-course dinner and all 3 courses were steak. I might cave and turn it into a 4-course dinner because they got an ice cream truck right here. Not an ice cream cart, but an ice cream truck. I might be able to find a chef here while we're in Brazil who might teach me some tricks how to make perfect grilled picanha. If they do, I'll share it with you. You may already know how to do it. You may have never had it before, but it's a cut of steak that's worth exploring. Really great chew, great flavor. Let me grab some ice cream. I'll see you at the next video. If you'd be so kind, subscribe. Working hard to do videos. Hopefully you learn something from them, get entertained, one of the two. Please subscribe, trying to do a good job. Give me your feedback. I'm gonna work hard to make the videos better and better and more informative. Thanks for watching and have a good day.